Morning, guys. Today we are back with another problem of Java's binary tree and linked list mixed problem. So what basically we have to do is we will be having a binary tree, and we have to print those roots and those root nodes which don't have a sibling. Say for example 37, 20 and 113 are there. So you can see that 20 and 113, those are the two nodes which don't have any siblings, right? Say for example 1, 2 and 3 is there. So these are the nodes which have a sibling, right? Because you can see every node has a sibling means child or adjacent nodes, right? So say for example it is also saying if two nodes are said to if they are present at the same level and their parents are the same. Okay, so 20 and 113 parents is 37, 2 and 3 is parents is 1. So you can see that like there is every node has a single. So since whenever you will see every node has a sibling, what you can write is -1. And in case of 37, 20 and 113, you can see that 20 and 113, they don't have any siblings. Yeah, so you can write it as node 20 and 113 has no siblings. So let's start with the problem. So first we are given a class tree and an ArrayList integer. Okay, so let's define an ArrayList result. We will be using depth first search for solving this problem. So integer type result equals to new ArrayList. So once the ArrayList is defined, what we can check is if node equals to null, we will return. So this is our one criteria. Our second criteria is we will be using depth first search to pass DFS to pass it. What we will pass? We will in depth first search we will pass a node and the result, right? So in DFS we will pass the result. Another if condition, we will check if result dot is empty is result dot is empty, then we will add result dot add, we will add -1, then we will return result. So this comes under this. This is our main function's return type is result because it is returning in ArrayList and ArrayList is the result. So now let's make the DFS. So you can see we have to make one DFS. So in DFS what we can do is void depth first search and take node and an ArrayList ArrayList integer result ArrayList, right? So in DFS what we can do is first we have to check whether the nodes are empty or not. So in that case and then we have to recursively call the function. So in that case we have to check if node dot left not equals to null and node dot right equals to null or so one second. Yeah, in this particular thing I will write node dot right not equals to null and node dot left equals to null. I'll explain what I am doing. So this is completed. Yeah, so in this if condition there will be multiple other ifs based on which we will solve the problem. So what we can see is if one of the left node is not null, so I can write over here node dot left not equals to null. In the DFS add the result equals to node dot data dot left if node dot right not equals to null, result equals to node dot data dot right. So both left and right is being created. So after that we will recursively use the DFS function. So in DFS what we are going to do is we are going to pass a node and uh, node dot left result, and again we have to traverse node dot right result. So left and right has been done, the function has been done, this has also been done. Let's compile. Okay, illegal start of expression. So node dot left yeah, I think I have to give another bracket over here which fulfills the criteria. So return null, result. So you can say result dot add mistake over here. It will be result node dot left dot data node dot right dot data. Let's compile. Null pointer exception. Oh my god. Let me check with the code once. So I've done so this if condition is so after completing the DFS, and then there is the yeah. So what I have to do is basically I have to close this if condition over here, and let's try. Compile. Oh my god. So let's match the code. So what I've done is first I've created class tree. Okay, ArrayList no sibling. Okay, new ArrayList result has been made. Okay, if node is equals to null, we have to return the result. Okay, if DFS of node and result is also done, I forgot to sort. So collections dot sort. Why we are sorting over here? Because in the question it is given, in the question somewhere it is given that don't have a sibling in sorted order or increasing order. Simply sort the result. The resultant is sorted. Then if the result is empty, we are adding -1 to all the elements, and then we are returning the result. Okay. Then void DFS is also there. If the node, again we have to give the base case. If node equals to null, what we will do? We will return null. So if the node dot left not equals to null, or node dot right equals to null, and node dot right not equals to null, in case of we will add this. In case of right, we will add the right data, left data, recursively left and right. Now let's compile. So yeah, now it's working. So I will just quickly put all the comments. So the comments will be to store elements in this array list. to check whether null or not. Call depth first search method to sort in increasing order. If found empty, add all -1 to it. Add left tree, add right tree, recursively visit all subtrees left and right. So yeah, this was the today's problem. I hope you like the solution.